premium view lot in the gated Riverview Estates of Heritage Ranch. This gently sloped property backs up to oak forest and roughly 60 acres of open space owned by Heritage Ranch Owners Association. 2 large oak trees grace the front of the property with views of rolling hills. This 1+ acre parcel is the perfect location to build your custom dream home. As an owner in Riverview Estates, you have access to all Heritage Ranch amenities, including a private marina on Lake Nessamina with a launch ramp and boat slips for lease and short-term rentals. Parks with pools, pickleball, basketball and tennis courts. An equestrian center. Recreation barn and dog park. Call or text Laurie at 805-423-0440 today to schedule your private showing, or email soldbylaurie@icloud.com for further information on this beautiful property. Pre-number 00869285.